Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn creating table and applying to making a beautiful table. So the table is a combination of rows and columns what we have seen. So for this, how we can make it a simply and easy to applying colors and making the beautification of these rows and the titles and all we'll see one by one. Alright, let's see. First I'm creating here a simple table. So this table tag we have to create, and here we have to put one tr. Yes, inside the tr first column we use th. Why we require to use the th? Company name of the company, and one more th is for company name, and name of the person we can give, or name employee emp name. Okay, emp name. So first letter I'll use for as in a capital, and th, very simply where the person he is from. So one row is completed successfully. So let's see how it would be on output. Open in browser, right click and open in browser, or else you may come back to our source project and there you can right click, open with Chrome. Chrome will supports very perfectly. So see, company, emp, name, country, 3 columns are defined here. Very clearly one by one we'll try to apply over here. So the next is we need to add here a data. So data would be first like a company is, I'm putting like simply Samsung, and no, within a tr we need to put something like inside the td we need to add the data. So here it's not Samsung, td, Apple, okay, and td Apple company, and next so person name is John, and this one of country from USA. So USA we are putting here. So just wait a minute. The data would be presenting like company, employee name, country. So we want to make more rows. What we need to do for adding data, we just take a tr. tr is a table row and td is a table like data, which the data is going to be adding. So the next company I'll put Google, Mary, some other country is UK. So we have a 2. Now if I want to multiply the data, if more data is there, the visibility of the table is looks like a greatly we'll see. So Microsoft, and the name is Perry from Canada, and another one company like Tesla, and Tanush from which country will take? Australia. So save this. Company may have the different branches, no? So 4 rows are here. So for this table, how it is displaying? By defaultly HTML table will be displayed in this ways. So for this table, I'm going to applying a style sheets and making beautification of this table. So first of all, what I'm trying to taking style tag, I'm taking inside the head. So here I'm putting by following customer, custo, customers. All right, so this ID I'm taking, and this customer's ID I'm going to applying for this table. So take a copy of this, and here the table I'm applying the ID that equal to this customers. Alright, so in this ID I'm going to write one by one, like what the requirement of the beautification for this table I'm going to write. So let's see. Font family ARIAL, Arial, Helvetica, it's a E, Helvetica, comma, sans serif. Save it. Let's see the font of this this data. Reload. Wow, it is making our custom font. So making like a beautification of the data table as well as the data, we are going to making modifications to require how we require to making the things we are doing. So I'm putting a border collapse. So the border, yeah, where it is, border collapse property I'm taking, and collapse option, the value I'm using. So save it and reload the page. Wow, it is a collapsed. If any unwanted spaces are there, it will be removed. And width I can take like 100%. You may take percent or px also. Reload. So table is expanded to the end. Auto resizing 100% I have given, 50%, 60%, whatever the size you require. Yes, you may put. In the first I have initiated these things, and immediately for TD, like a TD means this one, and TH means this one. For these two, what I am trying to applying, let's see how I am applying. Along with this ID, like customers, alright, TD, comma, hash, CUS customers, TH. These two to be applied for this block of code. These two are going to be applied for this block of code. For this, independently I am writing. Alright, how these are the things are possible? Let's see. 1px of border I need, 1px, 2px, whatever it. Solid means a very clean line we will get there. And the darkness of this one I'm applied for this. Alright, let's see the border is applying or not. Wow, we are getting a border of this styling. So this styling is border, and around the text it is something here, it is you may observe which is the touching to the lines, but I don't want to touch the lines. For that I'll use internal changes. No, so padding I'm applying basic of 8px. Reload. Wow, it's the beautification is expanded the table. The beautification of the table is expanded. So how simply it is. And now one by one more and more we'll try to apply now. So this way you need to practice what happening there, how you are customizing. If you are learning to presenting the table data and applying these things, n number of changes you may make it in your hand customizations. So now one more class like modification I'm applying over here to making customers TR and TH. Let's see. First TR, what I am trying to doing, just I'm taking a copy. CUS, yes, customers, TR, sorry, space is required, TR colon nth of child. This I am going to applying for even. The even of this one I am trying to applying for background color. So the background color hash by putting something, any color you may put here. Simply I am putting like very somewhat gray. F2, F2, F2. If you are taking 3 F2s, you will get something gray. Let's see. If you want change any, you can change it. So this one. All the even rows, all the nth even rows should be the background color of this. Okay, and similarly on mouse, I want to be highlight these lines. How it is possible? Let's see. I'm taking CSS tr colon hover effect. So hover of this braces, yes, background color on hover background color, very simply darking. We'll check the with the more dark. So reload. Wow, 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 wow. Any color. This is a, like a, how we are using for gray and light gray and dark gray, light dark grays only, which will be very clearly shows an impact very light colors. It won't emboss and it won't distract you. So such a colors will use to hovering, like a hover effect, how it is populating. See where the mouse it is populate automatically. So this way, not only here, any box also you may apply all these facilities. All this you may apply. So till this is the hover effect is completed. Now we'll see about like our heading part. So how the heading part? See you customers. TH. What is the TH? Table heading. This is the heading what we have defined. This is the table heading. We are going to implementing a block of code here. For first I am writing padding top. You may put like a common padding also. If you are using only common padding means all the surrounding places are also applied. So top and bottom only I'll take it around the 12px, and padding bottom again 12px very commonly. These two things are over. Save it and check the title. So reload. Wow, it's a somewhat expanded. That's enough for me. Anyhow, it is a centered. Alright. Now text alignment. I'm looking for text alignment. I'm looking for, maybe you want left, you want right, or whichever the area you need, you may check it. Whichever the area you need, you may check it. Alright. So accordingly we need to follow the principles. Left, right, bottom, center, your wish. So save this and reload the page. Text alignments are happening in left format. Now I'm going to applying more properties of background color. It's a showing by defaultly it's a white, no, something like a see white only, no. So I'll apply somewhat like a label how we are presenting the table or something glowing of headers. This way we can put some our custom color here for making like something 04 AA 6D, a sample color. Any color you want to take, yes, you can take to apply over here, not a problem. Reload. Wow, green, blue, red, whatever the color you may apply. If you have written something yellow, and all color names also will come, but you should check with that color how to require to present the same. You need to take the code of it, then you will get exactly what you are expecting. So when we are applied this color, if I want to change the font color into white, yes, you can apply color, only color, COLOR, yeah, COLOR is not wheat, white. Save it, reload. Wow, how beauty it is. If you want to dark black, yes, you can put the black. Solid also you can apply, or if you want to make the color change to white, how like beautifully we are able to getting a great experience of table. So by adding more and more data, so how you will add the data if you need, just I'm taking a copy of duplicating of this rows. Let's take a copy and paste, save it, reload. Wow, we have a feel. If you are added multiple data, then only you will get the great feel how the table is presenting. So in this way, you try to practice more and more to applying of a table in detailed code to apply all the possibilities to making a beautiful table. So I hope it's very simple and very easy lecture, I think so. So very cleanly you write all these style tags to applying your table of one ID. This way, if you are taking this code into external file and applying for all the tables, means where the table is available in your project, all tables will be shows you in a common design. Alright. So happily learn this. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.